Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw transactions from Square into Airtable using Zapier. Complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one for free. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button. Next, select Square as your trigger app. In the trigger event, choose New Transaction. Connect your Square account by following the prompts. Test the trigger to ensure it retrieves the latest transaction. Now, it's time to set up the Action app. Search for and select Airtable as your Action app. In the Action event, select Create Record. Connect your Airtable account by entering your API key. Choose the Airtable basin table where you want to send the transactions. Map the fields from Square to the corresponding fields in Airtable. You can include details like transaction ID, amount, and customer information. After mapping the fields, click Continue to proceed. Test the action to ensure that a new record is created in Airtable. If the test is successful, you'll see the new record in your Airtable table. Once everything is set up correctly, click Turn on Zap. Now, your Zap will automatically transfer transactions from Square to Airtable. To verify, make a new transaction in Square and check Airtable. Monitor your Zap's performance in the Zapier dashboard. Finally, make adjustments as needed based on your workflow requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.